In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple characters in one scene in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to the image generation tool from your dashboard and start a new project. When writing your prompt, clearly define each character separately so the AI understands who is who. Don't combine everything into one vague description. Instead, break it down. For example, you can type something like this. Make sure you include details about clothing, position, and action for each character. This helps the AI avoid mixing features or blending identities. Keep the environment consistent so both characters feel like they belong in the same world. After generating, check facial consistency, body proportions, and interaction between the characters. If something looks off, adjust only the unclear part of the prompt and regenerate. Once everything looks right, save your prompt so you can reuse the same structure for future multi-character scenes. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.